Hello guys and welcome to YouTube channel The Health Tips. Today we'll be talking about ways to improve our eyesight. Getting regular eye checkup is one of the many ways you can improve your eyesight and prevent injuries or illness that could harm your vision. We'll go through some of the key points to keep our eye healthy. At number 1 we have getting enough key vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, C and E as well as the mineral zinc contain antioxidants and help prevent macular degeneration. It's a condition in which the macula, the part of the eye that controls central vision, deteriorates. Number 2 is to not forget your carotenoids. A few other nutrients are also keys to improving eyesight. Among them are lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids found in retina. You can also find them in leafy green vegetables, broccoli and eggs. Number 3 is staying fit. Yes, exercise and maintaining a healthy weight can help your eyes, not just your waistline. Type 2 diabetes, which is more common in people who are overweight and obese, can cause damage to tiny blood vessels in this eye. The condition is called diabetic retinopathy. Too much sugar circulating in your bloodstreams injures the delicate walls of your arteries. Diabetic retinopathy causes the very small arteries in your retina, the light-sensitive back part of your eye, to leak blood into the fluid of the eye, harming your vision. At number 4, we have managing chronic conditions. Diabetes isn't the only disease that can affect your vision. Other conditions such as high blood pressure and multiple sclerosis can affect your eyesight. These conditions are linked to chronic inflammation, which can harm your health from head to toe. Inflammations of the optic nerve, for example, can cause pain and even complete vision loss. While a disease such as multiple sclerosis can be prevented, you can try to manage it with healthy habits and medications. At number 5, we have wearing protective eye care. Whether you are playing racquetball, working in your garage or doing some science experiment at school, it's vital that you protect your eyes with appropriate eyewear. Many protective goggles are made with a type of polycarbonate which is about 10 times tougher than other forms of plastic. At number 6, we have sunglasses. Sunglasses aren't just looking cool. Wearing shades is one of the most important steps that you can take when it comes to improving your eyesight and protecting it as well. You want sunglasses that block out 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB radiations from the sunlight. At number 7, we have following the 20-20-20 rule. Your eyes work hard during the day and need a break now and then. The strain can be especially intense if you work at a computer for long stretches at a time. To ease the strain, follow the 20-20-20 rule, which means every 20 minutes you should stop staring at your computer and look something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. At number 4, we have quitting smoking. We know smoking is bad for your lungs and our heart, not to mention our hair, skin, tooth and just about every other body part. It includes your eyes too. Smoking dramatically raises the risk of developing cataracts and age-related muscular degenerations. Fortunately, your eyes, lungs, heart and other parts can start to recover from the years of tobacco-induced harm within the first hours of quitting, and the longer you can avoid cigarettes, the more your blood vessels will benefit and inflammation will ease off throughout the eye and the rest of you. Next, we have learning your family's eye health history. Some eye conditions are hereditary, so being aware of the eye conditions that our parents or grandparents had can help us protect and to take precautions. Hereditary conditions include glaucoma, retinal degeneration, age-related muscular degeneration and optic atrophy. We may not associate washing our hands, eating our vegetables, or watching our weight as key steps toward better eyesight, but they all play a role. Living a healthier lifestyle and protecting your eyes from the sun and foreign objects can protect against every eye condition, but they will lower the odds of developing a problem that could hurt you. Thank you. Do like our video, share, subscribe, and do leave a comment. Thank you.